Whoever's the minister of police fute ngicela nje umama umthetho ngezami ezakwami izandla ngibambe ngimthethele ngoba kaphiki.
Please help me welcome Zahara. Zahara, how are you?
Ndiyaphila ninjani futhi?
Sikhona nathi. Thank you so much for availing yourself usinike isikhathi sithuxoxa nawe. We really appreciate it. Yebo sisi. So, all right, so got to go my idols recently as a guest judge or performer as well. We love the performance and you trended because abantu loved indlela ojudge ngakhona, but we straight talk kodwa ukhuluma nothando at the same time unika abantu advice right. So, is it something mhlawumbe ongacabanga ukuyenza ongafisa ukuyenza to go back to idols as a full-time judge or noma I will be right with the one-time offer?
Hey, but what I can say to you is that yes, I can come back and do it, but I find international, so I still have to do my tours, right? International, and then go and put my album. But I would love to come back and do it.
Okay, so kahle you'd love to, but thinking you won't be able to.
I can be able to. Depends on them.
Okay, I get you. Just talking about the international deal, congratulations on that. We know Guti, you're now signed with Warner Music. You released your brand new album Ingabayam under that deal. So ngicela ukubuza ukuthi isihluka kanjani icareer yakho now that you're signed with the Warner Music? Kukhona ushintsho olubonayo oluthandayo?
Obviously, you can see I'm glowing. And I look good.
Yes, you do.
I'm allowed to say that. You gotta appreciate yourself first. So I was gonna say, for me, it wasn't even about even Warner or anything, but for me, it's a privilege to be there because my inspiration is Tracy Chapman, Gemma Trading, and they're signed under Warner. Those people that I look up to. And that means there is a possibility of collaboration with Tracy. You see my inspiration. So for me, it's not even about that. It's like God is saying, okay, you've been telling your story and your people have been hearing your story in the continent. And then now it's about the world. Not that the world that didn't know the music, but now that I'm signed under them, international, that means now that we're promoting my music, that means now they'll be hearing my story overseas, like my story, besides the music, that they'll find on TikTok or they'll find on or whatever, when I do Instagram or whatever. But now they actually gonna promote my music internationally.
And you have like a little Chinese boy singing along to your music. You like, it's crazy.
Yeah.
So Zahara, look, I'm just talking about your story, right? Besides umculo wako, one of the things you're famous for, La Esauta, is obviously being a victim of a not so good recording deal. So ever since you've come out on that, and as you said, now you're glowing, you're beautiful, you are making better music than you ever have. So have you ever thought about maybe opening your own recording label, right? I mean, as umuntu who knows now ukuthi ama-artist kumele aphathwe kanjani, is a Zahara Records in the works, or noma I know you just want to be a musician through and through?
No, I do have, but the problem is now I was focusing on me, like you said, because when I left the record label, when I was about like be standing by myself, being on my feet, and this what happened, COVID came.
Hey.
And you see what I mean? Yes. Otherwise, I'm still there opening, which is called the Zahara Army.
Zahara Army.
Yes, but I would never have time. I know when people they want to find me all the time there. So my brother will be controlling it.
Okay. So
yes.
So have you thought about signing like an artist or
yes.
So you're going to do that?
At first I started with my sister, Kutukana sisters, but because of everything that was happening in my life, I couldn't actually promote them.
Okay.
So and then I let them go, and I told them to go and find someone because I'm still busy fighting my battles.
Okay, I hear you loud and clear. So, okay, I know. So, just in closing, Zahara, look, Ngabayami is a very beautiful album. We would expect nothing less from Zahara. Zimnandi zonke ngoma, especially your lead single, Izolo. So, please talk us through, Uguti, wawufila kanjani when you wrote Izolo? We know, Uguti, you pour everything you have in each and every single song oyenzayo. But with Izolo, wawufila kanjani?
Ngabayami, including Izolo. Kasetha ngenqaba yami. each and every song ithetha ngami ka ndithi ngezolo xabanile izolo kodwa ndixolele because I was thinking uyazi ntoni xa ungaxoleli but wami if you don't forgive it's only eating you up. The person that you are not forgiving is actually living their life. It doesn't mean still live with those people. It doesn't mean they must be in your circle. No, but forgive them for your own sanity so that you can move on with life. That's why people, they suffer with depression in our days. That's why we suffer with a lot of things. And those people that have actually done something to you, them, they are living their lives. You are the only one holding down to, he has done this, and then you turn to drugs, you turn to alcohol, you turn to everything. Instead of just forgiving them and then move on. Like I always say, Ngabayam, the whole album, it means, for me, as long as you have your breath, as long as you have another day, that means you have the chance to make choice. So it's up to you and what kind of choices you make with the chance that you have. As long as you have the next day, you have a chance to make choice.
Zahara, thank you so much for this katsako. We really appreciate umculo wakho. Appreciate wena ngo. Sibonga kakhulu, and yes, stay shining. Thank you, Zahara. Thank you very much.
But before you leave me,
Yebo.
I was gonna say to each and everybody that has a dream out there or a vision, hang on to what you have. Your time will come. Like I always say, everything may be rushing on me. Everything may be too slow on me. But I'll be holding it down. I know where I'm going. Hang there to come.
Thank you, Siyabonga.
Yeah, bro.
Whoever's the minister of police futhe ngicela nje umama umthetho ngezame zakwami izandla ngibambe ngimthethe ngoba akafiki yena